Hello, I'm Warren Tapp from Tapp Advisory. I'd like to share with you somebody who I've found extremely helpful in terms of marketing. I often talk about spending more money on marketing, but if you don't do it the smart way, it could be a waste of money. Dave Kane, I've known for years from Find Net Solutions, and he is very good. He's helped my business and he can help yours in terms of how do you get more customers. Things like building a smarter website, SEO rescue packages, how to in fact use online marketing as a very powerful marketing tool. What I learned is I didn't really know. And Dave is great with all that experience and knowledge he's got in giving you the strategies and tools to spend marketing dollars in a way that'll get you fantastic results. So give me a call if you'd like his details, or in our store you'll find details about Find Net Solutions for online marketing. Very clever, very powerful, and well worth talking to Dave Kane. I recommend him.